Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all my manicure routine, so keep on watching. So this is the manicure equipment that I have, and it comes in this little pouch. I have the nail cutter, the nail file, the buffer, and everything. I don't know the exact name of it, but the essentials are here. That I can use the cuticle remover with this, then buff my nails with the nail. So the first step is preparation. That is, you have to remove any old nail polish which is present on the fingernails. So I'm going to use some cotton and acetone and dip it in acetone and use it to clean all the old nail polish that has been sitting on them, and just clean my nails thoroughly so that it's ready for application of the new nail polish. So this is the final result after cleaning my nails with nail polish, and my nails feel so much cleaner. So the second step is soaking your hands. I have taken your warm water, that is which I can bear, and now I'm going to take some bath salt that I have purchased, and I'm going to be adding to my water for a nice aromatic experience. It has a nice smell and also makes the whole experience really nice with the smells and all. And I'm going to be adding a little extra salt as well as some shampoo, and I'm going to create some foam of the shampoo, and I'm going to soak my hands for 5 to 10 minutes, and gonna be using the warm water to extend to any parts of my hand where I want for exfoliation. So I'm just gonna soak my hands in it so that my nails soften and the cuticles soften as well, to make it easier to work on them. So now I'm just gonna soak my hands in this warm water, which is really so relaxing. The manicure helps in giving an aesthetic appearance, which makes you feel well groomed, enhances the appearance of hands, look cleaner and more polished. It helps in relaxation, it gives a relaxing experience, and helps in giving yourself some self-care, and helps in stress relief. Soaking your hands in warm water and using bath salts really helps soften the nails and cuticles, and makes it so much easier to work and do the subsequent steps on them. So the next step is trimming. I'm going to take a nail cutter and give the shape that I want for my nails. I want a nice coffin look, that is, it goes tapering downwards to the nails. So I'm just going to be shaping my nails as required. As you can see now, I just gave a little taper to my nails. As you can see, the cuticle is coming out as well, which makes it easier because the cuticle has overgrown. So giving and trimming your nails with a nail cutter really helps in removing the cuticles as well. Y'all can go for any shape that y'all want, that is round shape, square shaped, tapering shape, any shapes that y'all want. So y'all have to just like trim it accordingly, and then filing is as important. So the step is nail shaping, that is, you trim, you cut and file your nails to desired shape, that is square, round, oval. So as you can see, I've already given to my left hand, that is a tapering shape with the nail cutter, and I'm going to be doing the same on my right hand, just going to file it to my desired shape. So I'm done cutting my nails to the desired shape that I want with the nail cutter, and I'm super proud of it. So now I'm going to be using a nail file just to file out my nails and give it a more defined look is how I want. So filing really helps in nail shaping, so you can give the shape you want and enhance the nail shape by doing this step. So just keep on filing your nails for your desired uh, shape, but file gently to avoid any splits or damage. So do this step gently, do not put extra pressure and damage your nail. So now I've done the filing and nail trimming and shaping. So I'm really happy with the shape. And now the second step I'm going to be doing is cuticle care. So for the cuticle care, I apply a cream. I'm going to be applying my hand cream so that it's more easier to remove the cuticle. So I'm going to gently push back. You can use the cuticle push. I'm gonna remove any dead skin present around my nails, those white skin present around my nails with this instrument, and gonna give myself a nice look, that is clean look without the dead skin present on the side of my nails. I'm sorry I didn't film it that well. Okay, but here you can see that I'm removing the dead skin from the side of my nails. I usually get a lot of dead skin around my nails, so I'm going to be using this and just going to be gently. Do not uh, apply extra pressure that can damage your nails, so be gentle in all the procedures, that is gently remove it. Don't simply remove it if there's no dead skin, just because I have a lot of dead skin around. I'm just going to be pushing and removing the dead skin around my nails. So now I'm really happy with all my dead skins removed from around my nails, and now the step I'm going to be doing is exfoliating, that is the skin of my hands and around my nails, to give it a good scrub to remove all the dead skin cells present. I'm going to be using this Lux exfoliating scrub that I have, and I'm going to be gently massaging my hands and going up to my elbows because I want to have a nice exfoliating experience, which is much needed for my hands because my hands are so rough and I haven't given it much care lately. So I'm going to be scrubbing it a lot and just scrub in circular motion to remove any dead skin cells present. So just scrub away for at least 5 minutes or more, depending on how much of a scrubbing you need for your hands. So mine is the soft bead one, that is very thin beads, so I scrub it just gently for like 5 minutes, and while doing it I give myself a nice massage, that is massage my hands because it really requires a massage. And then I'm just gonna wash my hands, and then I'm gonna apply a mask, that is I have this foxtail radiance mask that smells so good and just elevates the whole experience of a manicure. That is, I apply this purple mask on my hands, which looks and feels so good. That is, the whole experience just elevates another level applying this mask. So I'm going to apply it everywhere wherever I exfoliated, and then wash it nicely and then apply the mask, which smells so good and it helps in extra care, that is removal of dead skins and a nice appearance to give the extra radiance your skin and hands need. After applying the mask, you can wait for 5 to 10 minutes depending on the mask you use, which gives the directions below, and just relax and then wash it after 5 to 10 minutes and damp it dry. Make sure you dry your hands now, and my skin feels so soft and supple after both the exfoliation and the mask, and my hands feel so soft, and I'm in love already with the manicure. So now the next and the last step is applying a nail polish. So I've taken one of my favorite colors, that is pink, and I'm just gonna open it up and make sure it's nice and liquidy inside, and throw away all your nail polishes that have become hard, and just apply the nail polish. I can do 2 coats, but depending, you can do either 1 coat or 2 coats for better look and for longer lasting nails. So I'm just gonna be applying it. Sorry for my hair being in the middle, I just left my curls out and focusing on applying my nail polish that my hair came in between, and I'm so happy with the results. It already looks so shiny and healthy. My nails feel so healthy, and after this self-care experience, I deserve the self-care that I need, and my nails feel so healthy and smooth. So you definitely require a self-care day. Whenever you're feeling down, you can try this out. So I'm really happy with the results. My nails feel so shiny and so cute, and I'm really loving the shape, that is a slight taper to my nails, which I want. And so I'm so happy with the results with the pink shade. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe and like my video for more such content as well as curly hair content. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.